Bitcoin flying. Look at that. 72.7. So we said the target was 72 plus. If it continues, you're looking at 73,200, then 75.5. And then we talked about pre-ETF launch, the target being 110 if it managed to break its prior high, which it's doing. Significant demand outstripping supply, meaning that any significant drawbacks bought up very, very quickly. If you're looking for a significant drawback in order to enter Bitcoin, then 21 simple in 4 hours in at around 69,034 bucks, and I'd say that's likely a good place to start making your bids, ladies and gentlemen. If that breaks, then I suppose you'd potentially be looking at a diagonal trend line. Don't put too much stock on those myself, but it may be something that interests you, and that obviously would take you as an entry above 69. So you'll be back down here, probably looking at something that completely makes absolutely no sense and trying to make this whole thing work. The topside formation, you could say that a significant level of aggregate support comes in around that horizontal, which is also where you find a 50 simple, currently about 67. Any lower you breaking a 236, and it might well be that you're testing 63. So, you're looking at 69, 68, 63,000. That's the short-term entries for Bitcoin if the bull trend continues. And if it doesn't, there'll be lower entries below that'll be even better to buy, because the bull trend on the higher time frames is very much intact and isn't going to be breaking for a long time. Daily time frame candle here, very, very positive. Look at that 1.14 extension. Isn't that nice? It's as if Bitcoin was just meant to do these sort of things. So down at the 15-minute time frame, make this all fit on the screen the way it should do. Neat and tidy. Come on over here, Bitcoin. See, there's quite a strong uptrend. Less of these significant retracements all being bought up, higher highs. It has come with lower and lower momentum on this 15-minute time frame, and that might well be then that you're looking then for the potential for a degree of volatility to see if this low momentum is just a marker of the fact that there's not much of a look back period on this thing, and really you're comparing all of price action as higher levels, and then of course you would likely see more at the lows, higher volume, than you would at the highs, because it's an uptrend, people are buying it, there's more accumulation and distribution. So you want to test the volatility in order to determine if this momentum picture is representative of anything other than just price action up at these levels, being as it would be, behaving as it would do. There's the 30-minute time frame where you're really getting that picture of momentum. Like, it's the fact that it's got lower highs, it's not the be all and end all. The fact is that it's in the bullish half of the panel. It's back above its own moving average and heading towards the bullish control zone, back down on the 15-minute time frame. Pushing back up again, as you can see, towards that bullish control zone, significantly above its own moving average. Everything looking very positive on this. It's very true to say, though, that took you here was an impulse move. It could be tested. The strength of that might be tested in one sharp shift move. And back around these areas, golden pocket, 69,000, 68,343, and around 786. That's very possible, Very, very possible. Probably an excellent buy if it got there. And probably be talking about those higher targets again. I expect you probably would. That's your quick Bitcoin update. We've also got a look at another video coming this evening. We're going to look at SPY along with AQST. Huge moves on this thing since we started looking at it. 760% profit and huge moves to come, so keep your eye out on that video. You'll be redirected to it after this one. And then AMD, again, offering up potential opportunities for people if they're looking to enter strongly trending bullish moves with sharp shift retraces back to valuable areas. So check out that video. It's coming up next. Hit that like button. Thanks very much for watching this show. Become a member here on YouTube. Do even one step further and support me on Patreon, or put one step in front of the other in a continued fashion till you become a brilliant trader by joining the Rocky Outcrop Discord. You can start for free. You can upgrade and be a brilliant trader in no time at all, getting a full suite of indicators to put risk management at the heart of your process. Plus, you get to join a team of people, including myself, brilliant traders. www.discord.gg/RockyOutcrop, where we're absolutely killing it in crypto. Hit the like button. See you on the Discord. Thanks very much, everybody.